Are you wondering how to get started with Jungle Scout? In this quick Jungle Scout guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to begin using this powerful tool. Whether you're looking to find profitable products, analyze competitors, or simply launch your e-commerce business. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share how you can get an exclusive, extended free trial to Jungle Scout that you won't find anywhere else. Jungle Scout is the go-to software for Amazon sellers who want to research products, track competitors, and optimize their business for better profitability. The first thing you'll want to do is sign up for Jungle Scout, and you can actually start using it for free right now with our exclusive offer. Check out the first link below to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, where you can immediately dive into the product research tools. The product research section is probably where you'll spend most of your time. You can use it to find profitable products that are in high demand but low competition. This is essential if you want to enter an already crowded market and still make money. You'll notice the product database and product tracker tools. The product database lets you filter through thousands of products based on parameters like price, sales volume, and reviews, helping you identify products that could be the right fit for your brand. Then there's the product tracker, which allows you to monitor the performance of products you're interested in to track sales trends over time. Next, Jungle Scout's supplier database helps you connect with manufacturers. This is perfect if you're looking to source your products directly from the supplier without getting lost in the weeds of the supply chain. You can filter by supplier location, product types, and other criteria, so you'll never have to waste time contacting companies that don't fit your needs. The software also has an extremely useful keyword scout tool. This tool allows you to discover high-converting keywords to target in your Amazon listings, making it easier to rank your products and get in front of the right customers. By finding the right keywords, you'll drastically improve your product's visibility and your overall sales performance. Another feature worth mentioning is Jungle Scout's sales analytics. With this, you can dive deep into your store's financials and get insights into your sales trends, profit margins, and much more. It's a game changer for keeping track of your business's health and making data-driven decisions. One of my favorite features is the ability to track competitors. The competitor tracker tool lets you monitor how your competition is performing and gives you insights into their strategies so you can stay one step ahead. By watching what your competitors are doing, you can adapt and improve your own business model to stand out. To make things even better, Jungle Scout offers detailed training and tutorials, making it a perfect choice for beginners. You don't have to be an expert to use this software effectively. The learning curve is pretty short, and there's a wealth of resources to help you get up to speed. Now, before we wrap up, remember, if you're new to Jungle Scout and want to see for yourself how it can help you scale your business, check the first link in the description. Not only will you be able to access the software for free, but you'll also get an extended free trial that will give you more time to explore all the features without any pressure. To summarize, whether you're just getting started with Jungle Scout or looking for ways to optimize your existing business, the tools in this software can help you grow, find profitable products, track your competitors, and make smarter decisions. Don't miss out on the exclusive offer. Start using Jungle Scout for free today and take your e-commerce business to the next level.